Welcome to Drift. Once you install the extension, you'll have a bar on the top. We call it the Drift bar. And whenever you click on Drift, we take you to an interesting page on the internet. Let's see where we go right now. What? This is someone's homepage. And I can browse through their feed, I can go through the website. Whenever you don't want to use the Drift bar, you can close it and it hides in the top with a little pull tab. Once I'm done browsing the website, let's say I go to a specific page and I want it back, I can pull it back. I can also see my details if I'm someone who's logged in. And if you're logged in, you can also submit URLs. I'll go and drift to another site now. Whoa, this is a website for a computer. Very cool. I love the design. The idea of drift is to make sure that we can bring back the age of stumble upon, the ability to find things on the internet without having to go find it on your own. If you use this, we'd love to know how you like it. This is such a cool website. Thank you.